All right, now I'm finna vacuum it up to get a better look because it's a lot of loose rust on there. Let me hold on 1 second. Actually ate out. So I'm finna vacuum it out though. I was trying to hold it and perform. I was gonna give you a close view, but I'll give you a bird's eye view. All right. Okay. Now you can get a better view of what I'm saying. As you can see, we got rust. So basically, this whole area is rotten. This whole area. Same as what's here, because it's weak from up here. All this is weak. This you get weak. You want that to be strong here. So, yeah. Over here the same way, especially over here. This side is actually worse than, well, they're the same. Because all that starts from up there and go all the way up there. Let me turn some light on, matter of fact. There we go, turn some light on. See, there we go, now we can see. See what I'm saying? It's weak. From all the way from the gas paddle, brake paddle, the rails. So basically you need whole floor pans really when it looks like this. Now you can patch it up, a good patch. See, but when you have things like this that's rotting out, you want to order this. You want to order that. You can order this whole railing. This is your support. This is very, very interesting for your side impacts. So this is very important. So there we have it. Another floor job. Another one bites the rust. Another one bites the rust. Hey. Another one bites the rust. Another one bites the rust. Boom, boom, boom. Doom, 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 doom. So old school. Boom, boom, boom. Doom, doom, doom. All right. Y'all see the floors back in there. Back one solid piece. We had to cut this floor. It was too short, so we had to do some little tricks here and there, but we got it to fit. It was short a couple of inches on each side. We got them in there though. Them little sparks from the wheels that's on the floor. Check it out, y'all. Now we gonna raise them up, put them shocks and springs on. I just want to do that first, man. I want to do that first. The floor done. It was a bitch, a bish. What they say, bish, with an sh. So now, like I said, we're gonna put the new shocks and springs on there now. Lift them up. After the floor dry up, the carpet, then we're gonna do that, y'all. Team motivation, no hating. Let's get it. It's another one. and 4 more floors to go, man.